In today's video, I am going to teach you how to export Stripe transactions to CSV. To begin, make sure you are already logged into your Stripe dashboard. Once you are on the main dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu. From there, click on Transactions. This will open the page that shows your full list of transaction activity. Take a moment to review the transaction list on the screen. This helps you confirm that you are in the correct section before creating your export. When you are ready, move to the upper right corner of the page and click the Export button. This will open the export settings where you can choose exactly how you want your CSV file to be created. First, select your preferred time zone for the export. This is important because the timestamps in your CSV will follow the time zone you choose here. After that, choose the date range for the transactions you want to export. You can select one of the available preset ranges, or choose custom if you want to enter a specific start date and end date. Next, choose the columns you want to include in the CSV file. Stripe allows you to control which data fields appear in your export, so select the columns that are most useful for your reporting or record-keeping needs. Depending on what you are using the file for, you may want to include items like transaction dates, amounts, statuses, or payment details. Once those options are selected, review all of your export settings carefully. Check the time zone, the date range, and the selected columns to make sure everything is correct before continuing. This helps you avoid generating a file that is missing important data or includes the wrong time period. When everything looks right, click Export to start generating the CSV file. Stripe will begin preparing the export for download. Depending on the size of the date range and the amount of transaction data in your account, this may take a few moments. After the export is ready, download the CSV file to your device. Open the file and review its contents to confirm that the transactions and columns match what you expected. This is a good final check to make sure your export was completed successfully and that the file is ready to use for analysis, reporting, or record keeping. Thanks for watching. That covers everything you need to know.